Wood turners love thin kerf parting tools because they allow you to get more turning from less stock. They cut with less resistance, and they open up other design options, like the grooves of a honey dipper. But those thin blades can be tricky to sharpen. They dull quickly, and they're prone to burning. Ultra Shear has changed all that by eliminating sharpening altogether. Instead, the cutting edge is a nano-grain carbide insert, ground on computerized equipment, polished to a razor edge, and replaceable in seconds. With 10 thousandths clearance on each side between the insert and the blade, you'll get clean cuts without burning, even on deep parts at high speed. Our unique insert geometry works differently than a standard metalworking cutoff tool. There's a dimple in the holder that grips the insert firmly. It won't pop out in use like others on the market. The overall shape and design of the parting tool is loosely based on thin kerf parting tools first made popular in England in the 1980s. The tall section of blade resists twisting and bending that you would get in a traditionally shaped parting tool that was this thin. The short blade length and knife-style handle give you comfortable, confident control over your cut. So, if you're looking for a parting tool that cuts clean each and every time you pick it up and never needs to be sharpened, Ultra Shear's Parting Tool CI is for you.
Do you ever find yourself working on the narrow edge of a workpiece? It's not easy to steady the ruler and place your mark. You might try marking the wide face, then transfer the mark with a square, a tedious and slow process at best, but not anymore. Introducing the Incra Bend Rule. The bend rule's 90-degree shape locks snug against the corner of any workpiece, while the corner marking slots let you wrap your mark all the way around the corner. And it stays in place with just one hand for those difficult vertical measurements. Microfine marking holes and slots at every measurement ensure effortless accuracy. Here, we're laying out a hinge mortise. Use the end of the bend rule to draw perfect perpendiculars and draw precise parallels with the vertical marking scale. This job used to require all of these tools. Now it's quicker, easier, and far more accurate with Incra rules. Recognize this problem? You're trying to confirm a measurement on a drawing and the ruler is too thick to let you get an accurate reading. You lean over the ruler and parallax drives you crazy. You stand the ruler on edge, but then the marks disappear. The Incra Bend Rule solves all of these problems. The triangular shape puts the scale lines right on your work and angles the numbers right at you. No parallax, easy to read, perfect accuracy. Incra Bend Rules are offered in 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths, with metric versions also available.
When is a push stick not just another piece of plastic? When it can do this, and this, and not get this. Introducing the Push Pro from Bow. The secret of the Push Pro is in the double-sided EVA tip that is tough and rigid enough to take any beating and absorbs vibration to reduce chatter, all while conforming to fit your workpiece. With an ergonomic handle and an interchangeable cartridge for customization, this isn't just a push stick. It's the first line of protection for your tools and yourself.
And now, for the much talked about, truly distinct Keter folding work table. Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right. Thanks to its unique patented opening system, all you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it. A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space. And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct heavy-duty Keter folding work table. You really can't get more practical than that.
Rockler's Bench Cookie Master Kit gives you the power to control your work environment. In the Master Kit, Rockler has taken the original Bench Cookie to new heights. The heart of the system is the Bench Cookie Plus, which has a threaded insert molded into the center to accept a range of removable standoffs. The standoffs fit into simple 3/4-inch dog holes, allowing you to set the cookies where you want and at the height you need. Raising your work helps keep blades and bits from damaging your bench, even at full depths of cut. Proper working height also relieves physical stress by allowing you to straighten your back as you work. Shop-built sawhorses can accept the Master Kit by simply drilling some 3/4-inch holes to accept the standoffs. Set your piece up and get to work wherever you need. The Master Kit also comes with bench cookie cones, which convert your cookies to very stable painter's pyramids for finishing tasks. They simply snap into place so you can get back to work. Work where you want, with the clearance you need, and at a position that is comfortable. Get control of your work positioning with Rockler's Bench Cookie Master Kit.
Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the Jorgensen Adjustable Hand Screw Clamp. The Jorgensen Adjustable Hand Screw is designed to ensure maximum strength and durability. The clamp jaws are made with North American maple wood, and the spindles are steel. The tool can be tightened or loosened easily by hand. The large jaws provide greater reach than other clamps and distribute pressure evenly over a large surface without marring your workpiece. The hand screw can easily be opened by spinning the handles similar to bike pedals. This keeps the jaws parallel as they open. When closing, we recommend starting with the front screw and then tightening the back screw to ensure the pressure is evenly distributed. The angle between the jaws can be adjusted to fit your workpiece, allowing them to hold odd-shaped items with ease. Jorgensen makes hand screws in 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. This clamp is great for wood projects, furniture repair, and working on delicate or irregular shaped projects.
The Match Fit Dovetail Clamp from Microjig will revolutionize the way you work with wood. This little clamp is unlike any clamp you've ever seen, and it's the only one of its kind. Its unique shape opens a world of applications that'll make your shop more functional. What's different about this clamp is its patented dovetail shape. With just a standard 14-degree half-inch dovetail router pit, you can essentially replace the need for expensive T-slots throughout your entire shop and make everything in it more versatile. From table extensions to jigs, clamping surfaces, and fences, the only limit to this clamp's usefulness is your imagination.
Unleash your potential with the Match Fit Dovetail Clamps by Microjig. To learn more about the Match Fit system or to find a retailer near you, visit microjig.com.